Great job. Keep going until it goes all the way through. And throughout the day, I'm gonna have some helpers do some stirring because we have to keep this stirred.
What I like about the walking classroom is that it gives you an exercise, and I learned also that you can get smarter by having an exercise. I like about the walking classroom, it doesn't just say, well, this is what you need to do. It gives you options, and it doesn't just tell you stuff on their opinion, it tells you what everybody likes. I like how I can just write down how I feel whenever I want and let out some things. Good morning, Colton. Good morning, Jack.